Not the wind nor rain could keep me from going to the thrift store today, but it was nice and quiet, just how I like it. First, here's just a few items that I passed on. This terrarium thing was really cool, as well as this metal wisteria decoration. And look at this table, it is so grand and not something I expected to see at Goodwill. As for the things I grabbed, first was this little pot that was originally from TJ Maxx. I also grabbed this fake plant, and I had zero luck in the clothing section today, so that's all I got. I then made a quick stop for lunch at one of my favorite Mexican restaurants, and then went to Plato's Closet to both sell a few items and see if I could find anything good. I'm also still on the hunt for the perfect pair of jeans, and today I had no luck. Not only did I have no luck finding jeans, but I had no luck with anything in general. I don't know if I was just bloated from all the food, but nothing was fitting me right. So I did the walk of shame back to my car with all the items that they didn't take, but luckily still came out ahead $15.